How to create Douyin account. For this, download the Douyin application and then open the app. Now in here you want to tap on this button right here at the bottom corner of your screen, and then you want to enter your number. So for that, select your country code, and then you can enter in your number and tap on the red button that you can see on your screen. After that, you will receive a verification code on your number. While entering, there is some error and you are not able to log in. So in this case, tap on this button right here. Now over here, you want to scroll all the way down and then tap on this option. So once you do that, you're going to be seeing this page right here. You want to click on the red option. And once you do that, you will be able to find this page right here. So over here, you want to select the second option and then type in the description. So here you want to make sure that you put in the description and put your number as well. Then you can also attach some screenshots if you want. Tap on this option right here, and then you want to allow this application to be able to access your media. So you want to allow it, and then you can put the photo from your gallery as well. So over here, I'm not going to be attaching any screenshots. The next thing you can do is add in your mobile number. So go ahead and add in your number along with the country code. And once you have done all of that and added the description, tap on the red button and the Douyin team is going to contact you and they're going to help you to create your account. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.